we are seeing gas power plant. Gas power plant use working fluid is in gas power plant. Working fluid is compressed air. It employs as a gas turbine. It consists of compressor, combustion chamber, gas turbine, alternator, and starting motor. This is an block diagram of gas power plant. It consists of, first is air intake system. In that, air intake from atmosphere is taken and passes from the filter. In the filter, we the impurities from the air, atmospheric air, is removed, and this air is supplied to the compressor. In the compressor, the atmospheric air is compressed, and it is the compressor and gas turbine are coupled together, and the compressed air is passes to the combustion chamber. For combustion chamber, we can provide the fuel oil for combustion. In that, the fuel is sprinkled out using the fuel injector system, and the rest and the combustion and the combination of fuel and air is combustion taking place combustion in the combustion chamber. Then the hot gases then the hot gases are produced, and these gases are given to the gas turbine, strikes to the gas turbine. The gases are When gases are strike on the gas turbine, then the turbine starts rotating, and the gases are expanded, and these exhaust gases are passed to the atmosphere. The gas turbine and alternator are coupled together, and also the starting motor is coupled to the gas turbine, because the gas turbine is not a self-starting. That's why we required a starting motor. Next, it takes air from atmosphere through air filters, compresses the air to very high pressure. Compressor is rotated with the help of starting motor. The fuel oil and compressed air is fed to combustion chamber. Fuel oil is burned inside the combustion chamber. This further increases the temperature and pressure of the compressed air to a high value. Compressed air at high pressure is expanded inside the turbine. Turbine rotates the generator coupled to it. Alternator produces electricity. It provides initial starting to the system, rotates the compressor during initial stage. Now, next, in this system, we can use the two gas turbine. First one is low pressure turbine, and second one is high pressure turbine. First one is high pressure turbine, and second one is low pressure turbine. In that, the compressed air from the compressor is going to the combustion chamber. In combustion chamber, the fuel and air is combusted, and the gases are passing to the high pressure turbine, and the high pressure turbine starts rotating, and the exhaust gases coming out from the high pressure turbine is passing to the low pressure turbine, and low pressure turbine also start rotating, and the exhaust gas are passes to the atmosphere. In that, by using this method, we can improve the efficiency of the gas power plant. Then next is open cycle gas power plant. In this system, a low pressure compressor and high pressure compressor are used. In between that, intercoolers are used. Then firstly, we take the air from the atmosphere and passes to the low pressure compressor, and the exhaust and the compressed air is passing through the intercooler and then pass to the high pressure compressor. This compressed air is passing to the regenerator, and the output of regenerator is going to the combustion chamber. In that, these gases are combusted. This air and fuel mixture is combusted, and this gas output is going to the high pressure turbine. Then the exhaust of the high pressure turbine is passing to the reheater. In the reheater, the temperature of the gases, exhaust gases, are increased, and these gases are passes to the low pressure turbine. And the exhaust of the low pressure turbine is passing to the regenerator. In regenerator, by using the temperature of exhaust gases, the air coming from high pressure compressor, the temperature of air coming from the high pressure compressor is increased. That's why the efficiency of that power plant also increased.